Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get my Monopoly Go account back. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to recover your account here in Monopoly Go, well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, the first thing that you need to understand here is that Monopoly Go can only recover your account if you've previously connected your Monopoly Go account to a Facebook account at least. So typically what I'm talking about is if you click on the three bar icon at the top right of the screen and going to settings and clicking on manage account, usually you should see the play with friends or sign in with Google. Now, as long as your account is actually connected to a Facebook account, so if it says disconnect here, it means that your account is connected to a Facebook account or to a Google account. Now, if you have connected your Monopoly Go account to your Facebook or Google Play account here, well, you should be able to recover your account. Now, again, like what I'm saying here, you can only recover your account if you've previously connected this to an account or a Facebook account. But yeah, how do you exactly start the recovery process? Well, the first thing that you want to do is, again, you want to access the three bar icon at the top right of your screen. You want to go and click on settings, and you want to go and click on customer service that you see at the center of your screen. Now, in here, what you're looking for is going to be the chat bubble inside this window. So at the top right of the screen, you should see that chat bubble. So let's go and just press or click on it, and it will redirect us into PegE. Now, the thing with PegE here is this is the official customer support chat window specifically for Monopoly Go. Now, what you need to do is you just need to specify here that you need assistance recovering your account. Now, this might take a while because, again, you should be able to start the conversation here. So let's just say I'm going to say, I need assistance recovering my account. Now, again, they might require you some details, or they might ask you for certain details here, as long as you're not providing your password, only the basic stuff here, like which account or what email you've used to connect, or what email you've used to connect or to save your progress in Monopoly Go. So what's the email address connected to your Monopoly Go account, you should be pretty much good to go here. Now, again, you just need to interact with customer support here in order for you to get assistance. Now, in this case, you could go and just click on I want to talk to an agent to get some assistance from a customer support representative here, but that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.